Guess who's back? Back again. That's right, Daniel's back, okay? So welcome to my channel, Daniel's Hungry. I'm Daniel, I'm back. And guess what? I got me some new measuring stuff, okay? Because the other one's broke. So, today we're going to be making chocolate ice cream, okay? And we're going to see how good it is. See how it compares with like the store-bought. See how the kids like it, okay? Let's get started. We're going to be using heavy cream, some Nesquik, some Nestle Toll House morsels, and some sweetened condensed milk. Alright guys, we're going to start off with the liquids, okay? So basically the only liquids here is the heavy whipping cream. So we're going to be using a cup of that. 1 cup. Alrighty. Got a cup of that. We're going to be using a whole can. I lied. This is also liquidy. Okay, so we'll be using the whole can of sweetened condensed milk. Shoot, this stuff is good by itself, guys. Like I could drink this. I can't drink it, but I could like eat it by itself. Okay, so there you go. It's a better can. Now we're gonna be using. Give me a second. All right, I gave the cup measurement a quick rinse. And now we're going to be using half a cup of cocoa powder. Hold on, let's find this thing. Half a cup of cocoa powder. Let's see, 2 tablespoons. Half a cup, we found it, guys. So we're going half a cup, guys. And we're gonna go with half a cup of this semi-sweet chocolate morsels. They're little, okay? We're gonna go ahead and add that up. Or add it to it. And we're gonna be using 1 bowl of ice cubes, guys. I counted them, they're gonna be about 83. By the time I got done counting them, they kind of melted. So, no, I'm just kidding. A bowl of ice, okay, guys? We're gonna add this in, and then we're gonna come over here and push the frozen desserts, and watch this puppy go. Alright guys, this thing is done. Let's check it out, see how it looks. It's real milky. Look real milky. Alright guys, obviously I messed it up. It's okay. I'm gonna fix it right now. I forgot to add. It was supposed to be 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, and I only put 1. That's why it looked all watery. So, I'm sorry, okay? It happens to the best of us, okay? So, we're going to add another cup of heavy whipping cream. And hopefully, this one comes out a little bit thicker. Consistency. We'll come back again. Press frozen desserts again and let it ride. So let's go ahead and put it in here. I don't know if I like this consistency, but we're gonna go ahead and freeze it anyway and see how it turns out. Okay, guys? Alright, guys, this is the next day, so let's check out this ice cream. Right here. Let's check it out. It's already frozen. Alright, we got a little ball in there. Here's a tip. Leave it out for a little bit so it won't be as hard. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just try it out like this and get the kids to come and try it out. Alright guys, I already served the kids their ice cream. Now it's time to call them up. Alright, here they are, the kiddos. Go ahead and try this ice cream. Give me your honest opinion, guys. What does it taste like?
The same.
The same as what?
The chocolate ice cream.
Like which chocolate ice cream? The ones that we get at the store? Or?
This is good.
Yeah?
Really good. Like 10 out of 10.
I say 10 and 10 and 10 and 10 and 10.
Alright, so...
A lot of 10s.
Would you guys buy this ice cream? If we were to go to the store and buy like, nah, let's get chocolate ice cream, would you guys eat it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Alright. So there you have it, guys. The kids like it. Thumbs up. See you on the next one. Remember, only the strong subscribe. Dadali, how many bowls of ice cream is that? Have you ate? 2? You really like it? Alright.